What's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you about Walmart Plus benefits. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Walmart Plus offers a variety of benefits designed to save your time and money. Here are some of the key perks. Free delivery from your store. Get free same-day delivery on groceries and more from your local Walmart store. Free shipping. Enjoy free shipping with no order minimum on items shipped by Walmart. Fuel savings. Member prices. Save up to 10 cents per gallon over 14,000 fuel stations nationwide, including Exxon, Mobil, Walmart, and Murphy stations. Exclusive access. Early access. Get early access to special promotions and product releases. Scan and Go. Use the mobile Scan and Go feature to shop in store and check out with your phone for a faster contactless experience. Additional perks. Paramount Plus. Enjoy streaming services with Paramount Plus included in your membership. RX for less. Save on prescriptions with free delivery and discounts on select medications. Mobile Scan and Go. Skip the checkout line by scanning items with your phone as you shop. These benefits make Walmart Plus valuable membership for frequent Walmart shoppers. You can find more details on the Walmart Plus page. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.